Mas that.
These are nice. The first one will follow also.
Guys, nag-ikot kami dito ni Bibi Jira. Chill lang. Wala kaming mga cash.
Shopping.
Window shopping. Ayan kasama ko. Dito sa kabila, be. Kasi ito yung nakita ko. Ito yung kainan ba. Sabi nila pang Starbucks. Starbucks pa more. Hindi, mahal dyan eh. Wala, may ano na sila. Nag-extension na yung Alba ito.
Ito talaga may hihilig lang talaga.
Ang totoo niyan, makikitiihi lang kami sa city center.
Oh, sige, okay na.
Pwede rin picture lang.
Sige. Sino yung katabi mo, Charis?
Alam mo, nakita niyo ba yan? Ano?
Guys, the future wife. Just gonna try.
You can adjust this one.
Yes.
You know?
We have the cushion here.
That. Ganda. Try mo rin yung isa. Can we try this one? The difference. She's thinking about this too. Whatever fits her. She got her incentive. That's why she wants to buy something memorable for her.
It's only level. That's why we need to touch it. Be. Okay?
Ay, ikaw. Okay din, te.
Okay po,
Pero mas that.
These are nice. The first one will follow also.
Parang mas ano kasi ang golden. Ano, parang catchy siya sa mata. Pero pag sa atin kate, mas ano yung...
Can you make adjust?
Yes, I'll tell you.
Wow.
You will check. Kurma, I'll tell you.
Okay.
Magka-cash out na po si madam. Dahan-dahan lang.
Yung stress na sila sa kakachismis sa buhay mo. Pero ikaw, pakapi-kapi lang.
Ikot. Umikat kami dito guys sa Magic Planet ni Inday. Maglalaro daw siya. Busog-lusog. Si Inday. Uwian na. Busog-lusog. Magic Planet. May Magic Planet pala dito, be. Ay, ang ganda dyan, oh, guys. Ikot na kami, guys. Oh, uwian na. Ang daming dala ni Bibi Jera.